Hey tubes, how's it hanging? Well, thank you so much for tuning in today's awesome vlog. Curious on what I'm doing today? Well, we got a unboxing for you. It's a brand new Wi-Fi card I ordered not too long ago for this brand new desktop computer I built this year, basically. And I hope this wireless card might help with some of the upload issues I've been having, but I don't know. If it doesn't work, I can always use the Ethernet cable, basically. And that's what is in this envelope from Amazon. Let's go ahead and just basically unbox it, I should say. Man, of course I was using strong glue. Oh, good old Amazon. Let's see, what did I get in here today? Let's see what we got. Alright. Here is the brand new Wi-Fi card. And of course, the brand new little unit. And basically, I'm going to be putting this together and see how it all kind of works. Let's have some fun, shall we? Chris, why are you buying computer parts again for your brand new desktop computer? Well, I've been having a lot of internet issues with my tower, basically, but I hope this might fix the problem. I don't know. But basically, here is the new wireless card. You can see it's very tiny and it's very small. Let's go ahead and take it out of its anti-static bag here, being very careful, basically, not to touch the circuit board too much. And basically, here it is. It's very small. I'm gonna put that on top of the anti-static bag. And here is the new adapter. Basically the exact same as the other one. Again, you get your antennas. You get your hardware and screws and your Bluetooth activation USB cable. And the adapter itself. And of course, the lovely instructions. Don't need those. I'm going to caution everybody who decides to upgrade your Wi-Fi card in your laptop or even in your desktop, but be very careful with these very, very tiny antenna wires. They're very small and very tiny. Just be careful, take your time, be patient, don't rush, because you might break the connectors on your Wi-Fi card, or you might actually pull these wires right off the board itself. But basically, that's all this is. This is just the adapter, and that is the Intel wireless card. And this is the Bluetooth activation function right there. And basically, your two antennas right here, and a LED light, and a very nice board as well. But do yourself a favor, just be very careful when you're doing this type of a project, basically. And of course, if you're curious on what this is, this is just a shield. It sits over the whole unit like that, and you basically just screw it down with one screw. And basically everything is in the box. Basically, it does come with a smaller one though, antennas and stuff like that. But just take your time. Okay, first of all, if you guys and girls don't have a lot of patience to work on something very tiny and very small, like those little antenna ports and wires, but do yourself a favor. You can buy a desktop one instead of a laptop one, basically. Now, if you was upgrading your laptop, now that sign is a little bit different, but I'm putting this unit in my desktop. But basically, here's what the actual shield of it looks like. It's a very nice unit to kind of shield some things from the wireless card itself. But remember, this is just the adapter. The wireless card is on the inside. But basically, I'm going to install this in my computer and I hope to kind of test it out and see what types of speed I would get with this newer Wi-Fi card. But do yourself a favor. Be patient and take your time. That's all I gotta say. But alright, if you guys enjoy those of joining the new channel, please hit that subscribe button. Leave an awesome comment down below. Please like, please share. Peace out. We'll hopefully see you in the future vlog. And thank you so much for watching today's awesome vlog.